Hi friends, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. Today in this video let us going to discuss 5 and 6 problems in exercise 10.4 in mensuration of 10th class mathematics. Right? Yes, before going to the topic, friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel, those who are not subscribed yet. Yes, thank you. Let us go into the topic. Yeah. See, the fifth question in exercise 10.4. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeters and height 15 centimeters is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 centimeters and diameter 6 centimeters, having a hemispherical shape on the top. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with ice cream. See, a cylindrical container is there, which is height is 15 centimeters and the diameter is 12 centimeters. It is full of ice cream. It is full of ice cream. Next, the ice cream is to be filled into cones. Ice cream is to be filled into the cones of height 12 centimeters and diameter 6 centimeters and the hemispherical heads on the top. So, how many number of cones can be made from the total ice cream? From the total ice cream which is in cylindrical containers. So, for how many members shall we distribute? Let us find, right? Yeah, here volume of the cylindrical container is equal to volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. So, how many volumes we have to find here? A cylinder, hemisphere and cone, right? Yeah. First, cylindrical containers. Yes, diameter D is equal to how much? 12 centimeters. That implies its radius is equal to, radius R is equal to 12 by 2, 6 centimeters, right? Next, height is equal to, height H is equal to 15 centimeters. Volume, its volume V is equal to pi R square H. So, pi into radius is 6 into 6 into its height is how much? Yeah, 15. So, 6 15s are 90. 96 are 96 are 54. So, 540 pi. So, don't simplify, keep like this. So, volume of the cylindrical container which is full of ice cream is equal to 540 pi centimeter cube, right? Yeah. Now, cones. Yeah, diameter, it is also diameter has given, diameter D is equal to 6 centimeters. So, radius R is equal to 6 by 2. So, 3 centimeters. Next, its height H is equal to how much? 12 centimeters has given. Yeah. Now, volume is equal to, volume V is equal to 1 by 3 pi R square H, that is equal to 1 by 3 into pi into radius how much? Yeah, 3 into its height is 12. 3 get cancelled na? 3 12s are 36 pi. Volume of cone is equal to 36 pi. Next, hemispheres, radius R is equal to, yes, 3 centimeters no. Its volume is equal to, volume V is equal to how much? Yeah. So, 2 by 3 pi R cube, that is equal to 2 by 3 into pi into R cube. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 get cancelled. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 into pi. 18 pi centimeter cube. Here also centimeter cube, right? Volume of ice cream is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere, right? Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone is, yes, 36 pi plus volume of hemisphere is 18 pi, that is equal to 54 pi. So, volume of the ice cream is equal to 54 pi. Now, number of cones, number of ice cream cones is equal to XA, right? So x is equal to what is the form actually? X is equal to volume of the cylinder by volume of ice cream cone. Volume of cylinder, cylindrical container by volume of ice cream cone. So volume of cylindrical container, how much? 540 pi. 540 pi by this is volume of ice cream cone is equal to 54 pi. Pi get cancelled. 54 in 540, 10 times, that is equal to 10. Therefore, number of ice cream cones is equal to 10. Understood clearly? Yes. Next, sixth question. How many silver coins 1.75 centimeters in diameter and thickness 2 millimeters need to be melted to form a cuboid of dimensions 5.5 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 3.5 centimeters? So, how many number of silver coins can be melted to form this cuboid? We have to find, right? So here silver coins diameter is 1.75 centimeters is given. Its thickness is 2 millimeters is given. Its thickness is 2 millimeters. So we have to melt these silver coins and we have to form the cuboid of dimensions 10 centimeters, 5.5 centimeters and 3.5 centimeters. So how many silver coins should we need? Let us find. So volume of the silver coin is equal to volume of the number of silver coins is equal to volume of the solid, right? Yeah. So here silver coin is in which shape? What is the shape of the silver coin? It's exactly, it is in the shape of cylinder. So if you put one by one silver coin on the top of the one coin like that, so it will form a cylinder or not? Yes, exactly. This is also in the shape of cylinder only. Understood? Yeah. So first silver coins which is in shape of cylinder, no? Cylinder. See, its diameter has given. Diameter D is equal to how much? 1.75 centimeters. So its radius R is equal to 1.75 by 2. See, 2 8 is 16, 2 7 is 14, 2 5 is 10. So 0.875 centimeters. So its thickness it is nothing but height h is equal to how much? Yes, 2 millimeters. So convert into centimeters because it is in centimeters, no? So 2 by 10 millimeters make 1 centimeter, no? So divide with 10, that will be 2 by 10 centimeters, that is 0.2 centimeters, right? Yeah. Volume, its volume is equal to, what is the formula of the cylinder? Is pi r square h. So pi means 22 by 7 into its radius is 0.875 into 0.875 into its height is 0.2. So for better calculation, write like this. These are 22 by 7 into 875 by, after the point, how many digits are there? Yeah, 3 digits, no? So keep 1000. So 875 by 1000 into 2 by 10 it is centimeter cube, right? So volume of the silver coin is 22 by 7 into 875 by 1000 into 875 by 1000 into 2 by 10 centimeter cube, right? Now cuboids dimensions, directly write dimensions, no need to write length, breadth and height. So are 5.5 centimeters, 10 centimeters and 3.5 centimeters. So its volume is equal to 5.5 into 10 into 3.5 centimeter cube, right? Therefore here number of silver coins be x, right? So x into volume of silver coins is equal to volume of cuboid, isn't it? Cuboid. X into volume of silver coin only is equal to volume of the cuboid now. So x is equal to volume of cuboid by volume of silver coin, right? So volume of the cuboid. So this is also for better understanding, right? Like this, 55 by 10 into 10 into 35 by 10, right? Yeah. So here 10 get cancelled, 55 into 35 by 10 only write down. So 55 into 35 by 10 by, this is volume of the silver coin, 22 by 7 into 875 by 1000 into 875 by 1000 into 2 by 10, right? So how can you write this one? See, 55 into 35 by 10 into here 22 by 7 can be written as division, no? So if you multiply this one, this can be written as 7 by 22 into this one 1000 by 875 into this is also 1000 by 875 into 10 by 2. Okay, yeah. Now here 10 get cancelled here. Next 11 2s are 11 5s are. See how to calculate, properly listen. Yeah. Next here 7 in 875, how many times? 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 3 is there, 7 5s are. Next 125, 8 are 1000, right? Next 2 4s are 8, next 2 2s are. Next 5 again in 875, 5 how many times? 5 125, sorry, 5 how many times? 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35, right? 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25. Next 35 5s are, yes, how much? Yes, exactly 175. Next 5 in 1000, 200 times get cancelled. So that is equal to 2 into 100, so 400. So number of silver coins should be melted to form this cuboid is equal to 400. So have you understood about this cancellation? Right. Okay friends, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.